Hey, this is your astrological forecast for Tuesday, August the 3rd. My name is Kat. You're watching the Soul Sister channel. Let's get started by becoming balanced, aligned, and connected with our higher selves by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. Third breath. On this third breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We're visualizing all the darkness leaving our body. It's being replaced by this beautiful white light. See it filling our entire bodies. And then this white light goes out and forms a protective bubble around us. And this white light is made up of white light, love, and the will to good. This bubble is deflecting all evil, low vibration, all negativity back to its source. While we're in this space of white light connected with our higher self, we are going to say our Leo affirmation. I am part of all I see, and all I see is part of me. We're going to say it together. We're going to stay in this space of white light connected with our higher self for 5 seconds. Let's say it together. I am part of all I see, and all I see is part of me. Great. Well, welcome to Tuesday. It's a repeat of Monday, but we took it up a notch just because it wasn't as edgy and it wasn't crazy enough and edgy enough yesterday. Now we're taking it up even so that we're more anxious and crazy and edgy. Oh my goodness. Well, first of all, we still have the energy from yesterday with Venus trine the Uranus. So we'll start off with the good energy. This is a time for new relationships, unusual relationships, improbable relationships. If we're currently in a relationship, beginning a relationship, we might see this relationship just move warp speed to the next level. We are interested in friends that are unique and offer unique perspectives and ideas. It's a great time for new business partnerships, also a great time for opportunity. But because it's a trine relationship, it's 120 degrees. It's very soft and easy. So these opportunities are kind of flowing right by us. These relationships are flowing right by us. These offers are flowing right by us. And if we're not paying attention, we're going to miss them. So be alert for that. Now today, the moon is in Gemini. So we're thinking really clearly and we're communicating in our thoughts, and we're like really excited that we are able to communicate our ideas and our thoughts so clearly that we forget the continuing energy. Well, it's not a continuing energy yesterday. We had the energy of the sun in Leo square Uranus. Today, Mercury in Leo is square Uranus. So these interchanges that we may be in today, group work, discussions, everyone is holding on to their stuff, okay? And it may cause explosive communication. We might feel very defensive of holding our opinion or our position. Again, the same advice from yesterday. We have got to listen. We have got to take the higher road while everyone is losing it and shouting their injustices and how could yous, and we need to step back and look at the big picture and be objective. We can help resolve the issue if we are willing to first listen, so we can be aware of what actually is being said or not said. Then we can become more flexible. We can readjust our idea just a little bit so that it works with the whole, as long as we don't compromise ourselves. So with Mercury in Leo, though, there is a tendency for hurt feelings. We may be judged because we have this great new idea that might even be good, that we may be judged for just seeking attention. Those of us like myself who are pranksters and practical jokesters, it's not going to go over so well today. So we might want to let that go. People are going to be very offended, and they're going to take our kidding and our joking personally. So we might want to leave that at home today. I don't know how, but we're going to have to just try to be more responsible and serious and listen today. So that's what's going on this Tuesday. Let's see what our advice is. Just be careful to watch our mouths. Put that filter. The filter has to be on today. Put that filter on today so we don't get ourselves into any trouble. Because we could pop off, like I said, we might think that we're even being funny. And it's not going to be taken that way. So be careful about that today. But use that moon in Gemini energy to do some research, solve some puzzles, chat with our best buddies. It's good for that. It's also good to hook up with that improbable relationship that may come in today. So let's focus on that and focus about staying on the high road and not getting down into that emotional drama. We're not going to do that today. No, no, no. Okay, what do we got? Magician's sword, confidence in your magic. Do you know what your magic is? It's your co-creation with your higher self, with our higher self. We are co-creating all the time, whether consciously or unconsciously. So on the Soul Sister channel, we're teaching ourselves how to co-create consciously. It is magic because we are taking spiritual energy and manifesting it on the physical plane. So we have to be confident in ourselves. And like I said, we're going to be, people might be pummeling us a little bit Monday and today. So be confident in who we are and don't compromise. Our magic is pretty powerful. Many masks, the authentic self. And that is the challenge, my dear friends. Getting back to our authentic selves. Being true to who we are, not compromising ourselves, our values, our beliefs, our character. We have to remove those masks that we've been wearing so that we can get along with everyone and we don't rock the boat and we don't cause any problems. It's time to get back to who we truly are and be proud of that. Deep diver, diving into a task. Whoa, buddy. And for us who are working with the group today or working with relationships today, yeah, deep diver, we have got to get in there. We've got to see what's really going on, not the story playing on the in the outer world, but really what is going on, so that we can be flexible and we can contribute to the solution instead of being an obstacle to the solution. So that's our work today. Oh my gosh, we've got to be our spiritual warriors today. We have to make sure in all communication we come from love, abundance, and gratitude. We've got to remember to be kind to our brothers and sisters, even though they're telling us that we don't know what we're doing and we don't know what we're talking about. We just have to take our breath, and we're going to say that we're going to honor them. Well, they can have their own opinion, but we know our magic. We're not going to compromise it for anyone today. So have a great Tuesday, and remember the keynote for the Soul Sister channel, Life is Lived from the Inside Out. Make it a great day. Listen up. Namaste.